Hello and welcome to another Royal Reviewer channel episode. Please subscribe for all the latest channel uploads. In this video we take a look at one of London's biggest landmarks, Big Ben. Big Ben is the bell inside the Elizabeth Tower outside the Houses of Parliament. The mechanism inside the clock tower is due to undergo a major renovation. This means the hourly chimes and bongs will not sound out for another 4 years. However, for key events such as New Year's Eve, Big Ben will still sound out. Please enjoy the following video footage. Thank you for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, then please leave a like, comment and share on social media. Don't forget to subscribe for all the latest channel uploads. From me in Shropshire, goodbye.